Good afternoon, friends, and welcome to the advisory desk. Today again, market open on a very weak note. It opened about 9 points up on the Nifty. It directly gave up the gains and was down by almost 25 to 30 points on the Nifty. Now this has happened because of the Asian indices were trading in the red when our market opened. Hang Seng was down about 200 points. Nikkei was down about 50 to 75 points. All in all, it has been a weak session till now. As I'm talking to you, market once drifted down below 100 points on the Sensex, but it's right now about 42 points down on the Sensex. It's been a kind of a mixed bag. We can see some selling happening in kind of banking per se, and it's about IT stocks, power stocks, which are in focus today, as the kind of group of ministry has kind of decided to come out with a 10 to 15% tariff cut in power supply. So that will kind of definitely hurt power companies like Tata Power and Reliance Energy, which is Reliance Infrastructure, which is kind of the biggest service or electricity provider in Delhi and Mumbai. So all eyes on the power stocks since kind of the Arvind Kejriwal has won the trust vote. Tata Power has corrected by more than 7 to 8%, and Reliance Energy, that is Reliance Infrastructure, has kind of corrected by almost 4 to 5%. This couple of with other kind of IT stocks like Infi has kind of weakened the sentiment as well as the market statistics. But there is kind of some good news. As you can see, there's some mid caps like Delta Corp, Jindal Saw, On Mobile Global are up by anywhere between 4 to kind of 10% on the intraday basis. So we are seeing some strength in broader markets also, like these stocks which are kind of participating. Auto stocks, Maruti, Tata Motors doing good, up anywhere between 1 to 2%. That's again a kind of good news that auto stocks are kind of slowly bouncing back from its lows. Banking stocks are under pressure. Index heavyweights, Reliance Industries and kind of Infosys, as I mentioned earlier, are a drag in the indices. Friends, there is also news on the Kingfisher Airlines. Employees are going to go on a hunger strike from today because of the non-payment of their salary for the past 17 months. So that stock kind of would be in action. Need to wait and watch how Mr. Malia reacts to this news. HSBC Services PMI index came out for the month of December, came in at 46.7 versus kind of 47.2 in November. This is kind of the lowest in the last 3 months, and it's again below 50. That is kind of, you can say, contraction for the past 6 months. On the forex update, 62.2, 62 kind of 28 is the rupee trading against the dollar. That's all the news updates we have. We'll get back to you more in post-market. Thanks.